Look, if you've been sitting on the fence, waiting for the perfect time to grab some new tools, this is it. Harbor Freight just dropped their April update, and the numbers are honestly insane. We're talking 40% off. Lights, 35% off pliers and screwdrivers, and some items are slashed by a full 50%, pretty much the lowest prices we'll see all year. But here's the catch. If you just skim through the aisles and buy whatever looks shiny, there's a good chance you're missing out on the real winners. I've been tracking these sales for years now, and one thing is always true. The best deals vanish in a heartbeat, and they usually aren't the ones screaming at you from the front page. That's why, in this video, I'm doing the heavy lifting for you. I've filtered out the deals actually worth your hard-earned cash. I'll give you a quick why and help you make a decision in minutes instead of hours. Plus, if you stick around until the end, I'll share exactly what I'm picking up and why. Let's get into it. Now, before we dive into the gear, mark your calendars so you don't get left in the dust. This sale happens in 2 waves. If you're an ITC member, you get to raid the warehouse early from April 6th to the 9th. For everyone else, the gates open from the 10th through the 13th. But trust me, with 40% off lines like Icon or Daytona, the good stuff is going to evaporate in the first 24 hours. I've literally seen guys lining up at 7 a.m. So if you've got your eye on something, you got to pull the trigger fast. There are no participation trophies here. All right, let's check out that first deal. If you're sitting there wondering, is this sale actually legit, or is it just a bunch of filler deals? Well, the answer's right here in these next 2 picks. All right. Let's kick things off with the one item I guarantee will vanish from the shelves on morning 1, 40% off the entire Braun lighting line. Look, let's be real, working on a DIY project without proper light is the ultimate recipe for a headache. Last year, I was fumbling around under my wife's car in the dark, and surprise, surprise, I snapped a plastic clip. If I'd had this 18,000 lumen beast back then, it would have been a totally different story. Usually this thing is priced in the stratosphere, but now it's down to $75. You heard me right. 18,000 lumens, it's bright enough to turn your dingy garage into a mini stadium. Need something a bit more chill. The 12,000 lumen model is down to just $51. Compare that to equivalent lights from Milwaukee or Snap-on that cost 3 times as much, and Braun is an absolute no-brainer. And don't even get me started on the $18 headlamp. I've used this thing camping with the kids and crawling around the attic fixing wires. It's light, rugged, and crisp enough to see every tiny strand of copper. This is the best price in history, cheaper than last year's parking lot sale. If you're finding this helpful, smash that like button for me, because this kind of insider info doesn't just grow on trees. Next up, let's talk about the tool I call life insurance for your hands. The Icon Screw Extractor Set slashed by 50% down from $50 to just $25. Only the guys who've sweated bullets and cursed at a stripped, snapped-off bolt deep in an engine block truly understand the value of this kit. Usually the Icon line rarely sees deep discounts because they're positioned to go toe-to-toe with Snap-on, but at 50% off, that's a straight-up challenge to the big brands. Design-wise, this set is right up there with pro-grade gear like Knipex. The steel is rock hard and the teeth bite deep and hold tight. I once saved a completely rusted-out oil drain plug with this set in under 2 minutes. Instead of drilling or welding, dropping $25 on this Icon set is the smartest investment you'll make this April. It's a perfect sub for those $100 extractor kits while delivering the same results. Have any of you put this set to the test yet? Drop a comment below and share the nightmare bolt story you managed to conquer. But hey, that's just the warm-up with the small but mighty stuff. Right now, we're stepping into some much heavier territory for those of you looking to beef up the big machinery in your shop. Don't go anywhere. This next deal shows just how much Harbor Freight is willing to play ball this year. All right, if the last group was the wow, I need that now type, this group is what I call the field-tested deals. These are the tools you're going to be grabbing constantly, so you're definitely not throwing money away. And here's the best part about this sale, 35% off all Icon Doyle and Quinn pliers and screwdrivers. We rarely see this kind of blanket discount across the whole line. Sure, past parking lot. Sales have hit 40%, but they usually cherry pick certain items. This time, it's the whole buffet. If your budget only lets you snatch 2 items from the chaos out there, listen to me, head straight for the Pliers. First, the Icon Pliers wrench. With that 35% discount, the price is almost laughable when you put it next to the King Knipex. I've used both, and honestly, the ratcheting action on the Icon is so smooth you'll forget you're using budget gear. It's not just a pair of pliers, it's the perfect replacement for a whole clunky wrench set, especially when you're working on the wife's delicate chrome bathroom fixtures and don't want to leave a single scratch on that finish. Next is the Doyle Fast Adjust pliers. These are like the star pupils of the legendary Cobra line. The way the teeth bite into a pipe feels solid and planted, zero slipping, zero slop. Compared to the 20% off we saw at the last parking lot sale, this 35% is the golden hour to get Klein quality for the price of, well, a sandwich. If I'm hitting the nail on the head here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my upcoming real-world tool tests. Moving into the bang for your buck category, the under $20 squad. I've got to mention the Doyle Lineman Pliers. If you do electrical work or find yourself cutting fence wire around the yard like I do, you're going to love the heft. They're heavy balanced and the blades are so sharp it feels like cutting through butter. Then there's the 15-piece Quinn screwdriver set. Do not sleep on Quinn. The handles have this soft rubber overmold that gives you an insane grip even when your hands are covered in grease. Honestly, the ergonomics feel way better than the standard Milwaukee sets. I accidentally left mine out in the rain for a week while fixing a chicken coop and the chrome is still gleaming, not a speck of rust. This is the definition of savvy shopping, getting exactly what you need at a price that can't be beat. Finally, a quick heads up on an item I see a lot of rookies panic buy, the flush cut pliers. Listen to me, these are not for cutting nails or steel wire. If you try to snip hard metal, the blades will chip instantly and you just flushed a few bucks down the toilet. These are born to cut zip ties perfectly flush, so you don't slice your arm open the next time you're reaching into an engine bay. Use them right and they're a masterpiece. Use them wrong and they're trash. Do you guys agree with the "it's only as good as the guy using it" philosophy, or is there a tool you bought and immediately regretted? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if this section is saving you some actual cash, give me a quick subscribe and I'll keep filtering these deals for you. All right, next up, we're moving to the big ticket items, the high value gear with deep discounts that'll last you for years. Now we're getting into the section I know most of you have been waiting for: the high value gear, deep discounts, and the stuff actually worth pulling the trigger on if you've been biding your time for the right moment. All right, let's set the hand tools aside for a second. If you've ever suffered through a midsummer power outage watching the food in your fridge melt while the kids are screaming because it's 90 degrees inside, you'll understand why I call a Predator generator a must-have. For this Spring Black Friday 2026, the Predator line is sitting at a price point that made me do a triple take. Don't listen to the haters calling it cheap junk. I ran this 3,500 watt inverter for 48 hours straight during that storm last year, and it's so quiet that if you stand 10 feet away, you barely even know it's on. Compared to a Honda with the same specs that costs 3 times as much, Predator gives you 90% of the performance for a fraction of the cost. It's got enough muscle to handle a window, AC unit, your fridge, and the house lights without even breaking a sweat. This is a rock-bottom price, even lower than the legendary parking lot sales. If you're looking for peace of mind for your family, now is the time to swipe that card. Don't wait until the lights go out to start shopping. By then, the shelves will be bone dry. Next up, a piece of gear that's basically attached at the hip for anyone who spends time wrenching under a car, the Daytona 3-ton floor jack. Listen, $98 for a pro-grade 3-ton floor jack. There's just zero competition. I've used plenty of Snap-on jacks in my time, and honestly, this yellow Daytona, the Super Duty line, isn't far behind when it comes to stability. The dual-piston rapid pump system gets your heavy SUV off the ground in just a few pumps. It's smooth, effortless, and precise. The best part is when you lower it. It comes down controlled and steady, no jerky movements, and that's what we call safety. I always tell my kids, never cheap out on the thing that's keeping you alive when you're under a car. At under $100, you're getting industrial standard equipment. If you find these real-world tips helpful, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more gearheads like us. Those are the big tools for the big projects. But hold on a second. Is everything at Harbor Freight worth buying? The answer is a hard no. Coming up next, I'm going to point out the shiny items that are actually total money pits you need to avoid like the plague during this sale. Okay, let's get real for a second, rookies. Usually skip this part, but the guys who've been spinning wrenches for years, this is the first thing they look for. Listen to me, guys. These are the kind of deals that the DIY newbies walk right past while they're hunting for shiny new power tools. But the veterans, we're the ones quietly pushing our carts over to the battery aisle and clearing the shelves. We're looking at 30% off all Hercules and Bauer batteries. Now, why is this a big deal? Because usually Harbor Freight is pretty stingy when it comes to their high-capacity packs. Even in the last parking lot sale, you were lucky to see 15 to 20% off, and usually only if you bought a tool combo. But a straight-up 30% off bare batteries, that is a massive steal. Take a look at the Hercules 20 volts, 5 ampere hours high output. The cells in this thing are legit. They go toe-to-toe with Milwaukee's M18 high-output line. It'll turn your impact wrench from just okay into an absolute beast that can rip off rusted-out truck lug nuts like they're nothing. Or the Bauer 8 ampere hours, I usually slap this on for those all-day woodworking projects in the backyard with my son. It's got so much juice you'll literally forget what it's like to have a battery die on you mid-job. Compared to dropping $100 or more on a single DeWalt or Makita battery, stocking up on 2 or 3 Hercules packs right now saves you enough cash to buy, well, a whole new tool. There's no better feeling than having a toolbox stuffed with backup batteries, never having to wait on a charger, just makes the whole job go smoother. You know, so what ecosystem are you guys in Hercules or Bauer? Drop a Team Blue or Team Red in the comments so I can see who's winning this 2026 sale, and hit that like button if you're a battery hoarder just like me. Now buckle up, because we're heading into the section I call the expose, the items that I wouldn't recommend even if they were 90% off. Alright guys, after using all that brain power on generators and floor jacks, let's kick back a bit with what I call the impulse buys. These are the items so cheap you just toss them in the cart without a second thought, but ironically, they're the things you'll end up using the most. Seriously, sometimes it's these under $20 gems that do the heavy lifting every week, not the pricey gear. First up, look at this Quinn screwdriver set. It's already a bargain, but for this Spring Black Friday 2026, the price has absolutely cratered to around $11. I swear the grip on these Quinn handles, that rubberized plastic feel, is just as tacky and solid as anything from Klein or Craftsman. I usually grab 2 or 3 sets to scatter around, one for the truck, one for the kitchen, so the wife can tighten a chair leg or fix the kids' toys on the fly. For $11, you're getting hardened S2 steel and magnetic tips that actually hold at Home Depot. That price might get you maybe 2 individual Milwaukee drivers. This is an unbeatable price, shattering every record from past parking lot sales. Next is the $3 mini LED work light. Don't laugh. This little guy is small but mighty bright enough to find a lost toy under the bed or check your oil when it's getting dark. It's light as a feather, and the ABS plastic can actually take a hit. I've dropped this thing off a ladder onto concrete and it didn't even flicker. Honestly, for the price of a cup of coffee, this is a total lifesaver in the real world. And finally, don't skip the safety aisle. Gloves are up to 40% off. I always tell people, your hands are your paycheck, so don't be cheap and end up with bloody knuckles. Harbor Freight really stepped up their game this year. The fingertips are touchscreen compatible, so you can check your blueprints or scripts without taking them off. They fit like a glove, pun intended, but the palms are tough enough for hauling bricks or cleaning up the shop. How many pairs have you stocked up on for the next project season? Or is there a cheapie at Harbor Freight you absolutely swear by? Let me know in the comments. If these budget-friendly tips are hitting home, hit that like button and ring the bell to support the channel. Now take a deep breath, because we're getting to the most important part. The do not buy list, no matter how cheap they get. All right, guys, we've talked about the must-haves, but now let's protect your wallet with the stuff I do not recommend buying this spring Black Friday, no matter how shiny those sale signs look. First, let's talk about those dirt-cheap flush-cut pliers. I know they look just like the high-end Knipex or Hako ones, but stay sharp. The blades on these budget ones are incredibly brittle. The biggest mistake you can make is trying to snip a small nail or steel wire. Trust me, one little snap, and that blade is chipped for good. These are strictly for thin plastic or zip ties. If you need a real set of cutters for heavy work, go back and grab those Doyle ones I mentioned earlier. Don't throw away $5 just because you had a moment of weakness. Next up, big-ticket items with tiny discounts. For example, some of the Series 3 tool cabinets or Fortress air compressors. This year, they're only shaving off about 10 to 15%. Compared to the 25% off we saw at last year's parking lot sale, this is a total step backward. As a savvy shopper, dropping $1,000 for a drop-in-the-bucket discount just isn't worth it. My advice, be patient, wait for Labor Day or the end-of-year sales. You'll likely save enough extra cash to buy yourself a whole new Hercules drill set. I'm giving it to you straight because I've already paid the tuition on flashy, useless gear, so you don't have to. Has anyone here ever bought something at Harbor Freight that you immediately wanted to chuck in the trash, or something everyone raves about that you think is total garbage? Don't be shy. Drop an expose comment below so the rest of us don't fall into the same trap. This is how we help each other become smarter craftsmen. If you value this kind of honesty over corporate fluff, give me a like and hit subscribe, because coming up next, I'm wrapping this up with my 3-step strategy to walk into Harbor Freight and walk out with the best steals without going broke. Before you hop in your truck and blaze a trail to Harbor Freight, you've got to memorize my 3-step strategy so you don't get hosed or end up with a drained bank account for no reason. Step 1, check local stock online. Don't waste gas driving all the way there just to stare at an empty shelf. Use the Harbor Freight app and check the in-stock status at your nearest store first thing on the morning of the 6th if you've got ITC, or the 10th for everyone else. Step 2, prioritize the high-end steals. Go full throttle on the Icon 50% off and Braun 40% off lines first. These are the items with quality that rivals Snap-on and Milwaukee, but at insane price points right now. Save the smaller impulse buys like gloves and flashlights for the very end. Step 3, double check your receipt. Sometimes the system doesn't update the 40% coupons instantly. Make sure that final number matches exactly what we broke down in this video before you walk out that door. I'm confident that with this game plan, you're going to walk away with the best gear for your workshop at the lowest prices we've seen in all of 2026. If you snag an absolute beast of a deal or find a hidden gem, I missed brag about it in the comments, so the whole community can get in on the action. Thanks for riding with me for the past 10 years. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss my real-world tool tests and upcoming killer sales. I hope you guys score some legendary deals this spring Black Friday. Catch you in the next one. Peace.